You know, I've been doing marketing for quite a while, and I often get asked, what does it take to have a successful marketing program? Well, I think there are three things that are important. Number one is make sure you have a clear focus. So often marketing programs don't have a real focus, and they're going here, there, trying different things. Have a clear focus. The second thing is once you have that clear focus, make sure you have a well thought out marketing strategy, which is usually based on some kind of research and understanding of your audience and how to reach them. And the third thing is tracking. Not only tracking the results or the outcomes of it, but also the implementation of it, which helps you understand if your strategy isn't working, it'll help you isolate what you can do differently. Follow these three tips and I think you'll improve your success. If you want to go deeper and learn more, I suggest checking out the Visible Firm course in Hinge University. There you're going to learn step by step how to make your firm more visible, how to recruit people, and how to get the marketing success you're looking for. Check out hingeuniversity.com/visiblefirm. Hope to see you there.